Welcome to our channel. If you want to safeguard your bank accounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect yourself from fraud and identity theft. Step 1. Create strong, unique passwords for all online banking accounts. Use combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols that aren't easy to guess or related to personal information. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication on all accounts that offer it. This security feature requires a second verification method like a text code or authentication app login. Step 3. Monitor your accounts daily using mobile banking apps. Regular monitoring helps you catch fraudulent activity immediately when you can report it most effectively. Step 4. Set up account alerts for all transactions, low balances, and password changes. Real-time notifications let you immediately identify unauthorized activity. Step 5. Never share account numbers, passwords, or personal information via email or phone. Banks never ask for sensitive information through these channels, so all such requests are scams. Step 6. Use secure internet connections when accessing banking websites. Avoid public Wi-Fi for banking, or use a VPN to encrypt your connection and protect data. Step 7. Review your credit reports annually for accounts you didn't open. Free reports from annualcreditreport.com help you catch identity theft affecting credit applications. Step 8. Shred documents containing account numbers and personal information before disposal. Identity thieves search trash for information, so destroy financial documents properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.